Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the settings. Here we have to find this option, home screen and style. Let's tap on it. And here in this left section we've got the toggle which is connected with the lock screen style and the wallpaper. So let's simply tap on it. And now we can change the home screen. So we can either select a wallpaper from the pre-installed options. Let's tap on this option here. As you can see, you've got the gallery, so you can choose your own photo and set it as a wallpaper, or you can choose something from the official options which are pre-installed on the device. Moreover, you can tap on more, and if you've got the internet connection and if you've got the account, if you will log in, you will be able to find something in the online wallpapers and download them. You can simply tap on this free section, and those options which appear right here are free of charge. What is more, instead of setting the photo or any kind of image, you can change the color. So just tap on the color, and if you prefer to have just a solid color as your home screen, you can choose it right here. You can also find some gradient options. So just choose the one you like the most. I will still select a wallpaper. So let me choose maybe this one. Just tap on the wallpaper, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the preview. I'd like to also set the same wallpaper to the home screen. So let me swipe to the left. Here we've got the home screen, the lock screen. So just tap on this option here. And again, here we've got some magic lock screens, etc. But I prefer to set the static wallpaper, so let me just tap on it. And as you can see, we've got both options applied. So to confirm everything, we have to tap on apply in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it. Your device will set it. So just a second. And now we can go back to the home screen, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.